time for Super Kids again. We're ready for the letter Z. It's the last letter. You guys are doing an amazing job. We are almost done with all the letters and all the Super Kids books. So we'll be on pages 15 and 16 today, and we will start by just saying some words, and we want to say the words and do each sound separately. So I'll say the word first, and then you can say it separately with me, and then we will say the word again at the end. Yes. Y-S. Yes. Mix. M-X. Mix. Jump. J-A-M-P. Jump. Crack. K-R-A-K. Crack. Queen. Qua-E-N. Queen. Juice. J-U-S. Juice. Your. Ya-or. Your. Cheese. Ch-E-Z. Cheese. We are ready for dictation now. Remember, you need this paper, and you're going to write it on here. And the first word is yum. Yum. Y-A-M. Yum. Next word, gum. G-A-M. Gum. You can pause the video if you need to. Next word, plum. P-L-A-M. Plum. Plums are delicious, by the way. And the last one is glum. G-L-A-M. Glum. Glum is sad, like we learned in the last story about the Glum Princess, remember? And now, if you are all done with that, we are ready. And I want you to find page 15 in your book, and I am going to put it up here. And we will be ready to go. The song goes with this. It's kind of like a dot to dot, so make sure you start right here on the red dot by Cass. And make sure you're just listening to the song and do it with them so that yours turns out how it should look. Please don't go ahead. So make sure your pencil just stays on the paper, and then when they talk about that character, then they'll have you move to the next character, okay? So listen carefully and have fun with this.
Zippity zappity, zip. I
Who is it? It is time. Let's call on Zip. Zippity zap, zappity zip, zippity zappity zip.
I had super noodle plans to fix 6 boxes up.
Zing-a-rino, who is it? It is time. Let's call on Zip. Zippity zap, zappity zip, zippity zappity zip.
I'm a jumping jack in a box pop up. It's a surprise.
Zing-a-rino, who is it? It is Zip. Let's call on Zip. Zippity zap, zappity zip, zippity zappity zip.
I could camp out in a tent we made out of a box.
Zing-a-rino, who is it? It is Elf. Let's call on Zip. Zippity zap, zappity zip, zippity zappity zip.
I'm the super noodle who plays riddles, jokes, and games.
Zing-a-rino, who is it? It is Zip. Let's call on Zip. Zippity zap, zappity zip, zippity zappity zip.
I like plays and shows and skits. I like to watch TV.
Zing-a-rino, who is it? It is Inky. Let's call on Zip. Zippity zap, zappity zip, zippity zappity zip. Now go back and look and see. You made a great big Z. Yes. Oops. There we go. So, you made a great big what letter again? Z. Can you trace these Z's too? We start here on the top line on the strawberry line. You go straight across. You do a slanted line down and it should end right below where you started. And then you go across and you get a Z. You don't lift up your pencil at all. Same thing with the small one. Go across on the vanilla line, slanted down, and then go across again. When you are done tracing those, you may turn to the next page. Page 16 teaches you how to make Z's all by yourself. I will show you in just a second, and then you can do that page. You have to be on this. I will be on the handwriting paper. You will skywrite with me first, and then you can do that. So, do you notice I made one right here already? I will show you again how I did that. You go across on the strawberry line, then you do a slanted line down, and it should end about where you started, even with where you started above, and then you go across on the bottom line. So, everybody skywrite with me. Across on the strawberry line, slanted line down, and you should end about straight below where you started up there, and then you go across on the chocolate line. So this should line up with this over here, kind of like that. And then a small Z starts on the vanilla line, slanted line down, and then goes across on the chocolate line. They are the same shape, but the small Z is a little bit smaller than the big Z. So skywrite with me, small Z, across on the vanilla line, slanted line down, and across on the chocolate line. Make sure these are pointy at the two corners there, because then it looks more like a Z. Then you are going to do the big Z's going across here, and when you start here, that dot is where you start, and you're going to make your own there, small Z's, and then follow the pattern, big and small, and then some books do not have zip zap, they just have a quiz is fun, but mine has a zip zap quiz is fun. Maybe they found that didn't fit in there so well. So if yours just has quiz, you can just trace what's there and write it below what's there, and make sure you don't put too much space in between things, but you need to have the letters for a word together and a space on the outside. And since it's Friday, there is no handwriting, and we also don't have a worksheet on Friday. So you are about done with this, but I thought I'd play the video for you once, so I'm going to get that set up really quick. If you want to start on the book to do the handwriting. You can start on that. I am going to get this ready. And I'm going to put this other one closer to this one. And we'll see if we can, so you can see better. There you go. Okay. Ready?
When we went on a hunt, sing a reel. Who is it? It is Cass. Let's call out Zip. I was super noodle next. A picnic was my plan. Sing a reel. Who is it? It is Oz. Let's call out Zip. I sat in a super jet. We made out of a box. Sing a reel. Who is it? It is Dog. Let's call out Zip. I was super noodle when we visited the vet. Sing a reel. Who is it? It is Fritz. Let's call out Zip. I was kangaroo. I hip hopped in the play. Sing a reel. Who is it? It is Talk. Let's call out Zip. Zippity zap, zappity zip, zippity zappity zip. I'm a funny looking kid with floppy ears and tail. Sing a riddle. Who is it? It is Polly. Let's call out Zip. I led wag-wags on the trip off to the planet Whoop. Sing a riddle. Who is it? It is Lily. Let's call out Zip. I'm a super duper star in sports or in a play. Sing a riddle. Who is it? It is Sal. Let's call out Zip. My best friends are Tick and Talk. My name is TAC. Sing a riddle. Who is it? It is Tack. Let's call out Zip. I had super noodle plans to fix 6 boxes up. Sing a riddle. Who is it? It is Hopper. Let's call out Zip. Zippity zap, zappity zip, zippity zappity zip. I'm a jumping jack in a box pop up. It's a surprise. Sing a riddle. Who is it? It is Tick. Let's call out Zip. I could camp out in a tent we made out of a box. Sing a riddle. Who is it? It is Alf. Let's call out Zip. I'm a super noodle who plays riddles, jokes, and games. Sing a riddle. Who is it? It is Evan. Let's call out Zip. I like plays and shows and skits. I like to watch TV. Sing a riddle. Who is it? It is Icky. Let's call out Zip. Zippity zap, zappity zip, zippity zappity zip. Now go back and look and see. You are in a great big city.
Perfect. Wasn't that fun? Okay, you can stop the video now. We are all done for today.